So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here. Just ignore that mascara. We're just going to pretend like that's not there, okay? Thank you. Without further ado, let's hop into this video. If you want to see how to do this, because a sister surprised herself, if I do say so myself. I have no clue how this is gonna turn out. We're kind of just living on a prayer over here, you know what I'm saying? I already did my eyebrows because I started filming this video and things just didn't go well. I know it looks like I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but I'm actually not. I'm using Milani 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer because I ran out of Shape Tape. I just put this in here. Now I'm just blending that all out using tapping, slightly swishing motions. Like, if this does not work out, I'm gonna be very mad at myself. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade Deep, and I'm gonna use this color right here on top of my concealer that I just used. Because we need everything to show up good on our eyes, you know? We want the true color of our eyeshadow. We don't want no fake colors. We don't like fake hoes. And it's okay to look stupid, okay? Because the beauty is the process. You gotta look dumb first. I honestly wish I could make my looks more dramatic, like with eyelashes, but I can't wear eyelashes because I don't know if you can tell or not, but my natural eyelashes are really curly. And so whenever I try to wear falsies, they just push them off like the bullies they are. Oh my gosh. So now that we kind of look like a backwards version of a panda, we can move on. I'm gonna set this eye stuff I got going on right here, this little, with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Just gonna dust it, make sure there's no leftover. Now it's time for the fun part, my dear. All right, splendid. Let's get started. I'm gonna see what happens if I try to use this bad boy and use this shade as like a transition shade, you know. Okay, not much of a difference going on right there, but you know, we're seeing a little something, something. That's all that matters. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with this. Can you see this? This shade right here. This is the Morphe 350 palette, the matte version. But yeah, I'm just popping this in my crease area. Sorry if you feel like I'm not being upbeat right now. I don't know what my deal is. Like, I feel fine. I'm wide awake. I'm growing facial hair. So now I'm going in with this shade right there. Can you see? I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going in with that shade. I'm kind of like just going over where I just put that last shade. This is coming together nicely, I think. I'm going back in with that last shade I just used just to darken up the crease, just a smidge. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going in with Real Gar. I'm going in with Red Ochre, you know, and I'm putting that in my crease as well. This is actually coming along pretty good if I do say so myself, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now we're gonna, I'm taking this angled brush, this e.l.f. brush, and I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna take this Lorac Pro palette and I'm gonna dip it into Espresso. And I'm just gonna focus it on the outer corners of my eye. Now I'm taking that orange color that I use in my crease to make that gradient look. I'm using that like right here. I did the eyeshadow. I'm actually pretty happy with it. Are you happy with it? I hope so, because it's not like I can change it now. I'm using this Modern Renaissance palette again, and I'm going in with Vermeer and Primavera, and I'm just popping that right there. Now time for the scary part, the eyeliner. Let's do this, yo. Eyeliner's not bad, it's not good, but not bad. Mascara, because we can't wear falsies. It's really sad. Actually, I'm gonna take this angled brush and I'm gonna go in this Lorac Pro palette and I'm gonna go over my eyeliner to make it a little more matte, more dark, fill in those gaps that I wasn't able to get, you know. By the way, the mascara that I use is the Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara and the Ulta Beauty and Lashes Mascara. Oh, I'm gonna do my face makeup and then I'm gonna do under my eyes. So now I'm doing my under eye, under my eye. And I'm using the same colors I use on top in the same order, not all of them. I'm mainly just using that orange color that I told you about, that one we used after the orange color, the slightly darker one, and both on this palette, you know. Okay, so now we're all done with our makeup. We finished our eyes, the face. I added some freckles, and if you're wondering what highlight I'm wearing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I'm using the colors Bronze and Tourmaline. I also added some lipstick, and I'm just using what's left of Limbo from ColourPop and FBF from P-U-R. I think that's where that's from. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up, because we love a thumbs up. We love thumbs. Come on now. Come on. Subscribe, comment down below what you would like to see me do. I hope you enjoyed this video. I already said that, but I really do hope you enjoyed it, because I had a pretty good time, if I do say myself. If I do say so myself. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.